So I'm currently a semi-professional footballer playing centre mid for Wrexham Women. So I started playing football when I was about 6 years old with the lads team, local lads team. Since then I played for Wrexham development team before luckily getting picked up by Everton. Spent 2 seasons there playing for Wales under 15s and under 17s as well. And then I made my debut at 16 on my 16th birthday for Wrexham Women, and that's where I am today. My first coaches were the dads of the local lads team, Boris Park Albion. They were brilliant with me and still support me today. There was lots of challenges growing up. You know, I was the only girl in a team of lads. It took some time to earn their respect. But I think today, you know, the biggest challenge for me is just trying to balance everything, you know, balancing studies, balancing playing football, balancing social time, seeing my family and friends. I think that's definitely the biggest challenge of them all. Yeah, I think I've had a few highlights. You know, I was named Young Player of the Season for the league and the Wrexham team last season. You know, I've got some age group caps for Wales. I think another highlight was being on the double-decker bus with Rob and Ryan when we won the league. But I think the one that stands out most for me is scoring my first goal at the racecourse. I don't think I have any, you know, major plans. I didn't think I'd make it to this point if I'm totally honest. But yeah, I just want to continue playing for Wrexham, you know, pulling that shirt on and hopefully taking us to bigger and better places. So at the moment I'm studying Welsh and journalism at Bangor University, so you know I just want to continue with that degree and hopefully keep football a big part of it as I do that. I think Welsh has been a big part of why I'm doing the degree I'm doing at the moment, you know, through doing interviews after games in Welsh and the opportunities the Welsh language would give me, they definitely pushed me to do the degree I'm doing at the moment, so I think yeah, it's been a massive help for me. I think the 2 pieces of advice that stuck with me throughout my career was be comfortable being uncomfortable, you know, do things that push that comfort zone boundary, but also that talent gets you through the door, but character keeps you in the room, you know. Being a good person in the changing room off the pitch is just as important as what you do on the pitch.